could take up to a week to measure everything inside a ballast tank by hand, where with the drone
For a single tank, right? Is
for
that right?
one single tank, and with the drone solution, you can do that in 15 or 20 minutes.
The accuracy was everything for this project.
Yeah, and the previous service provider calculated less than half of what it actually was.
And then not to mention the speed at which you can operate. Depending on how thorough we are, we can get between 3 and 6 stacks a day pretty effectively.
And if you were to do this manually with like rope access, how many stacks a day do you think you'd be able to do?
The rope access, there's a bunch of factors on there, but I would say 1 to 2 to 3 with less coverage.
But not everybody's thinking about using this equipment in this manner. Absolutely scalable. I mean, if you look at, we just did 3 tanks. It took us less than 45 minutes. You could do entire tank farms, right? And what you're mitigating potential fines from the state or the federal government. You're keeping your community and your employees safer by detecting these leaks and preventing a potential catastrophe.